So this is going to be a little different video. This is just a short little fundraiser video. I've decided that for the month of November, the whole month, I'm going to donate all of my ad revenue to No Kid Hungry. I know that I'm in a special position here where I can just make food to put it on YouTube. You know, I eat it. I try not to waste. I try to only use what I have, but I know a lot of people don't even have that option. So I'm going to do a donation here for No Kid Hungry at the end of this month. I'm going to donate all of my ad revenue. I'll be totally transparent with it. It's not a ton of money. So what I'm also going to do is for every subscriber I have at the end of this month, I'm going to donate a cent also. I know that's not a lot, but my ad revenue is maybe $50, $60. I got 4,000 subscribers. It'll be about $100, and it'll go some way for these people. I think you guys can also, if you want to do those super chats or whatever, you can donate any money that you guys put towards my channel this month. I'm going to put towards No Kid Hungry. So just wanted to do something a little different. I wanted to give back just a little bit of an update. This is what I discussed. 1 cent per subscriber. All ad revenue across this entire channel, all of my videos, every single video, the whole total for this whole channel at the end of this month for all of November. So even the videos I've already put out this month, like the cinnamon roll video, which I think is doing decent for, you know, my first foray into baking, but I am going to donate all of this money here. As you can see, I like to play slots on my tablet, but yeah, that's it. You know, I'm going to donate all this money to No Kid Hungry. I think they're a good charity. They help feed children. It's, you know, I'm sure there's a lot of other charities out there that are food related that we can do, and maybe I'll do those in the coming months as well, or partner with some of them to really help raise money. But I just wanted to do something different, and I wanted to do a video here where I just let you guys know this is what I'm going to do and help spread the word. Get other people to subscribe. If you're watching my videos and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. You know I don't ask for that very often, but that's what's going to help. That's what's going to make a difference. We're going to raise money, and the more people that subscribe, the more money they're going to get from me. So you can feel free to donate also. I'll put a donate link down on the bottom, but let me know what you guys think. And instead of doing a giveaway like I did at the end of last year, I'm going to do this. So we're going to raise money, and this is going to be fun. And thank you all for the support, and I will let you guys know at the end of the month how much money we raised.